If you also like these types of accounts that have zero spreads, we can also make an arrangement for that. But so we entered this at a breakpoint, but anyway, it wasn't that much perfect breakpoint, so it was actually a false breakpoint. But using the CP method, we have to make profits and recover this account. So we have no time for making losses, so every trade we enter must close in profits. So that's why I have to wait for this trend close. Probably it's going to be slowing us down for, let me say, a couple of minutes, but later on we shall be coming back and sipping it again into profits, and I'm confident and sure about that. So probably let's just continue as we wait for this trend to close. Surely it's gonna be delaying us, but no worries. Anytime we're gonna be closing it into profits, no negatives, just want profits, and we get out of the trend. Then there we shall be able to make any more bids and finally recover the account. Yeah, just like I was saying, you can see finally it's recovered, and I was able to close it in about, whoa, this is just about, let me see, where is it? $10, yeah, $10. So right now we are at 808. We're actually remaining with probably $260 to recover the account finally, and hopefully in the next couple of minutes we shall be doing that. But as for now, let's proceed to trade more. So looking at the chart, we haven't gotten any resistance in a downtrend, and that's for Euro USD, of course, around here, 15 minutes. But if you look at here, of course, this is 15 minutes, and if you look at this point, I'll kind of have some resistance. So if you want to see this resistance very well, you kind of have to change this to about 5 minutes or even 1 minute. That's when you can see the resistance, how it came and how it's going back. So no worries, now it's going back in a downtrend, which is actually kind of not bad, but I'm gonna be going back into my 15-minute time interval and continue the sipping. Okay, let me see, 5 minutes. So if you want to be setting up this simple setup, it's actually it's a MACD aided setup and the fractal aided setup. I can just show it to you in just a couple of minutes. We have fractals here, and it's set to 4 pixels to make it a little bit thick. The color, I make it white because it's in the default black background, such that it can really come out. The MACD, another trick about the MACD should be set into 2 as the first EM a line. So it normally comes by default as a Torov, but the Torov won't give you the perfectness of this. That's why I recommend you set it to 2. Then also the MACD, of course, line, it should be set to green, and then the signal line to red, and then you say done and save. So this is the simple setup that I'm using, and if you want to be using it very well, now you see the MACD lines or the bars. Once they are above the 0 line, it will indicate an uptrend, but once they are below the 0 line, it will be indicating a downtrend. And if the signal is actually below them, that will be indicating a concrete downtrend, but if it is above, it will be indicating a downtrend. Likewise, you can see the fractal. Once the fractal indicates on this bar here, at that point it really indicated a very good downtrend, and that's why you see these couple of bars, the following bars, they are actually bearish bars. So that's the trend that we actually making profits in. So the same applies to of course the 15 minute interval. You can see we had our fractal at that point here, coming as a resistance, and after that was indicating that the resistance would be, of course, pushing us back into a bearish trend. And you can see this is the trend that we've been sipping all along. Okay, so that said, we can go back to trading and we see how far we can go. So Anyways, I'll be explaining more about all these sipping strategies. Just make sure that you're on the channel and stay updated. Subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Thanks for watching.